Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abbie, and I want to give you a houseplant tour of my living room after being away from home for 5 days or almost 5 days. I'm video recording this as my husband is taking all our things out the car and bringing them inside the house. I wanted to record this for you all before I do anything to the plants. Later on, you will see me inspecting each plant to see how well they are doing after being away from them for almost 5 days. So right now, I just want to pan around and then I will start inspecting each plant for problems so I can take care of the problems immediately. That's the good thing about inspecting your plants once you have been away from them for a while, is that you can maybe prevent things from happening to them, or you can spot the problems and you can take care of the problems immediately. So here is the inspection, or should I say, the inspection is about to start. Or should I say, for now, here's the inspection. I don't know, guys, which one you think I should say. Either way, I'm about to inspect each plant that's in my living room, and I think it's about 30 of them. So y'all come along as I begin to inspect each one. I'm going to identify them, and then I'm going to be taking a look at them and letting you see how well they are doing. The first plant I'm going to be inspecting is this beautiful peace lily that's sitting over here in this corner. It is beautiful and it looks so healthy. It usually likes to be given water right around 5 days, but this is the 5th day that I've been away from this peace lily, and it seems to be doing good. It's not drooping, so I won't give it any water. I will be checking the soil maybe on tomorrow to see whether it is dry or not. I've had this plant for a long time and it is still blooming. On the end table, there are two beautiful plants. This plant right here is a Florida beauty, better known as a Gossypiana Dracaena plant. And beside that one is my beautiful Potho plant, which is looking awesome. The Potho plant is a newly propagated plant. The next plant is the golden Potho. It is looking fine and good. And there is my lucky bamboo. I'm inspecting it. It looks good. Standing all tall and strong. The next plant is this Chinese evergreen. It is looking fine. It is very old and I had it for a very long time. It has grown a lot. Now let's go look at the plants beside the sofa. You have two of my beautiful Scheffleras, better known as an umbrella plant. Then we have some plants on my coffee table. This plant right here is called the Dracaena marginata, sitting there looking good and sexy. Then we have a beautiful dish garden plants. All three of the plants in there are looking good. We have one Potho and two Dracaena plants in the garden dish. There's the twin to the Dracaena marginata. And that Dracaena marginata is also looking good. And in the corner over there, sitting on the end table, is another beautiful golden pothos. We have a golden pothos looking very good and healthy. And then we also have the philodendron Brazil looking good. No problems with it. and I'm very proud of it. The next plant is my money plant. It is looking nice. Then we have my philodendron lemon line looking all good. No problems found with it. And then we have my beautiful zebra plant. It is looking nice. Look at it. The leaves are all beautiful and looking good. The next plant beside the zebra plant is my aglaonema. It is looking great and good, but I am seeing that it is drooping just a little, so it probably wants a little water. And I'm going to be checking the soil to see whether I need to water it now before it gets dark outside. Beside the aglaonema is another zebra plant, the twin to the other zebra plant, and it seems to be doing well too. And on top, you have my beautiful lemon lime pothos. It looks good and healthy. The next plant is a philodendron Brazil. It is wonderful, looking good. Now we have another money plant. It's looking good, but needs to be repotted. And below, we have the beautiful Scindapsus Pictus Silver Satin. It is looking awesome. Here's one more look at those plants before we go on to the next plants for me to inspect them. Next, we have my beautiful Diaphragm Belcher Vesuvius. They look wonderful. They look healthy. Except I do see one bottom leaf that needs to be taken care of. It seems to be turning a little yellow. On to the console table that is housing about 6 of my plant babies. They all look so wonderful sitting on it. Now let's start at the bottom. At the bottom, you have my beautiful Diaphragm Belcher. It looks good and healthy. I see no problems with it. In the middle, at the bottom, is my Japanese crusty bird's nest fern, a beauty all by itself. It looks good and is doing very well. Also on the bottom, on the other side, is the twin to the other Diaphragm Belcher. It is doing good and it looks well. On top of the console table is the beautiful bird of paradise. It is looking good. No problem found with it. It is getting so tall. I think he is outgrowing his brother that's on the other side that I'm about to inspect after the next plant. Then we have another dish garden bowl, which is the big sister to the one sitting on the coffee table. All 3 of these plants in this dish, they are looking good and beautiful, and the plants are really shining in that garden dish. The plants are a Photonia and 2 Dracaena plants. Then we have the brother to the other bird of paradise. And that bird of paradise right there is sitting on the console table, and it looks so tall and strong and is looking very good. So guys, I'm happy that all the plants are doing well from the living room, and now I have all the other rooms I have to go and inspect. In the next video, I want to share with you guys my bedroom. And I think I have about 7, 8, 9 plants in there. So I want to go and inspect them and bring you guys along with me so you all can see how well my plants are doing and how good my babies are looking in my master bedroom. So stay tuned to me posting that video. Maybe sometimes this week or next week. I might post another video between them, but I hope that I can get this done sometimes this week, possibly tomorrow. I have to edit the videos once I do them. So I'll see how long it's going to take me to edit it to get the video up. And I want to be able to share this experience with you guys. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm very happy about my plants doing well. Bye.